Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to send someone PayPal money. First, open your web browser or the PayPal application on your mobile device. Enter your email address and password to log in securely. Always confirm you are on the legitimate PayPal site to prevent phishing. Using two-factor authentication provides an important additional layer of protection for your account and money. Once logged in, look for the Send or Send and Request button, usually prominently displayed on your home screen. Click this option to begin the payment process. Next, you will need to enter the recipient's email address or mobile phone number. Double-check this information thoroughly. An incorrect detail could send your money to an unintended person. Enter the precise amount of money you want to transfer, for example, $55.50. PayPal will then ask you to select the payment type. Choose Friends and Family for personal transfers, or Goods and Services if you are paying for an item or service. A short, clear note about the payment's purpose, such as dinner last night, is always helpful for record keeping. Before you finalize anything, meticulously review all the transaction details presented on the screen. Verify the recipient's name, the exact amount, and the chosen payment type. Pay close attention to any displayed fees, as these vary based on transaction type and funding source. Finally, confirm your preferred funding method, then proceed to the next step to send your money.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.